either it's gonna be super sick slalom session or I'm gonna play laundry all day long. Okay, this session was not at all as expected. It was just a in-between thing. I didn't get fully smashed and washed, but I also couldn't really have fun on the slalom gear. The wind was a touch too light. I had a 6.2. It's the PATRIK SF sail, which is for slalom and for foiling. So I wanted to try it on the fin this time because it's the sail I was using in the last video where I went on the water the first time with the PATRIK gear, and that time it was on foil, so now I wanted to check how is it on fin. And I tried the 95 liter slalom board for the first time, and my weight is 95 kilos, so yeah, it was quite tough. If you remember from the surf lessons back in the day, if the volume is the same or even below the weight, then it's gonna be tough to float around. You might wonder, where am I to find such a nice place with big waves? And yeah, I'm currently in Hvide Sande in Denmark. It's at the Ringkøbing Fjord, pretty much in the middle. And I'm here for 1 week holiday with my parents, which is super nice. Actually, we are quite close to a spot where I've been about a week ago or so. With the one and only Nico Preen, because he invited me for his new video project, and of course I said yes. And if you are interested in that, it should be the next video coming, so hit the subscribe button to stay tuned. And yeah, right now on this trip I'm basically alone in this vlog style again, because my girlfriend couldn't be here, and she's taking up a big role in this video YouTube thing. Because she's bringing the equipment and editing the high quality videos, so I'm missing her a bit, but yeah, she will be back with we will be back with some even better videos, so stay tuned also for that. But for now, let's go for the next session. Today we are in Borghaven. It's at the south end of the Ringkøbing Fjord, and today we want to go foiling here. The wind is around 20 knots, and yeah, this should be the best spot for foiling in the fjord, at least in the south area, but still it's quite tricky here, so we have to walk out a few hundred meters. Luckily a friend of mine gave me instructions where to park and where to go out, and hopefully everything will go right today. We really should settle in for short reaches, so we don't hit any of the shallow waters. Let's see how it goes. You don't believe it. I forgot my action cam at home, and my backup action cam has no SD card. Oh, I put the bag right next to the door, but I still managed to forget it at home. So regardless, we're gonna skip into the action part. It's just not gonna be from today. My father and I decided to go falling in Hvide Sande now instead of Borghaven. The session was a bit stressful because I was going around the area slowly to see where it's shallow and where it's not, and then I was surprised at some points where I touched the ground again with my foil. So in the end we found a nice area where we were pretty sure it's deep enough, but still it was a bit stressful. So now we decided, okay, let's change the spot. Here in Hvide Sande you have to walk really far out. I think my watch showed a bit above 600 meters and it took 15 or 20 minutes. So that's quite a lot, but I think it's a pretty solid option if you're here in the area to go for wing foiling, kite foiling or windsurf foiling. It's quite a hassle, but it's okay, And looking forward to going home. Hopefully some other slalom riders are around for some nice training sessions. And excited for the future. I hope you are as well.